How can I change my EA email on PS4?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we are going to walk you through a very common request many players have: how to change your EA email on your PS4. We'll guide you step by step so that you can perform this task quickly and get back to gaming.
Why would you need to change your EA email?
Before we get started, let's discuss why you might need to do this. You may need to change your EA email if 1. You have lost access to the email account you used to create your EA account. 2. You want to use a new email address for your EA account. 3. You need to update your account details for security reasons.
What do you need before you begin?
Before starting the process, make sure you have the following. 1. Access to your PlayStation 4. 2. Your EA account details, which include your current EA email and password.
Steps to change your EA email on PS4.
Now, let's dive into the actual process. Step 1. Sign into your EA account. Sign into your EA account from a browser on your computer or smartphone. You cannot change the email through the PS4 console directly. Step 2. Access account settings in the EA account page. Click on the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Security tab. Once you're in your account settings, select the Security tab. Step 4. Change email address. Here, you'll see an option to change your email address. Click on this option, and you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you'll be asked to confirm your password. Once you've done this, click on Save or Confirm to finalize the changes. Please remember that a confirmation email will be sent to your new email address. You'll need to confirm the changes by clicking on the link in that email. And there you have it. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful for you. Remember, always keep your account details safe and secure. Happy gaming, and we'll see you online.